We started our Foley session focusing on recording the more subtle sound effects, from the footsteps in the scene to cloth sounds of chair movement and page turns. Now then we focused on the foreground elements. In this short, a man is trying to read a book while all the people in the library are making annoying noises. Now this includes chewing gum, stirring iced coffee, and even a headbang on a desk, which as you can see took more than one take. That was awesome. All these sound effects were recorded using Adobe Audition's multi-track editor, which allowed me to punch in and record for specific moments in the film. Putting all the Foley effects together with the ambience gave me this little short film told all through visuals and sound effects.